is winning this war. Honestly. This time around, it's not about that it's my right. Emilo call or something like It's not about that kind of it's my turn, Emilo call, something like that. No, it's about reality and who is capable. What is going on now is about I saw this post where somebody was like that Mazen Nandi kind of betrayed was Rike, and now he has been betrayed. And those people that he betrayed, that's why he's trying to remove them, that they cannot agree. These people, they are still like dragging that put that they can never go away from. They have captured it and they can never leave it, because Mazen Nandikana is in there, that he will remain there forever. They don't care that they have carried the mantle and they are moving ahead, no going back. But the question is, that mantle that you're holding, or that post that you thought that you're holding, and you nobody can question you, because you have already gotten that post. Nobody can question, and you are the head. You are leading Biafra. Who are you leading? All that while that DOS has been like being in charge of all these things, tell me one or two things that they've his own protests that they have gained the highest mark in. We will remain in protest forever. Is that how we will get what we want? Now we want to do the right thing. Okay, I don't want to speak much about Wazurike and Mazen and the kind of time, because I didn't know much about it, but still I know little, because experience of what is happening, I have explained to us what has happened during their own time. Because when you hear people say that Mazina they cannot betrayed Wazurike, and now he has been betrayed by other people, that what goes around comes around, is a lie. Now, what happened? We are not stupid, and the nation you are dealing with are people who are very wise. You must have to do it right. It doesn't matter who says I am right. The what you are doing is what is showing the result, and that is what people will follow. That's why Mazen Nande can gain a lot of followers. Epa gain a lot of followers, and Nanongozo Rebeze is not gaining it. You ask yourself, among all these groups, because it doesn't matter who say come together, it doesn't matter. At the end, those people that has the right place is where everybody must align with, whether you like it or not, or you will leave our land. That is how it will. We are not pushing anybody, but you should feel that if not the way, and you cannot do it the way you want it, and you cannot as well do it, and you want to make problem, then government will handle you, or constitution will handle that. So in this case now, it's not about who has the right, or that I'm the DOS leader, and no one can question me. You can do whatever. No, 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 no. That's why Mazinandika, when he saw that Wazirike can no longer carry this in along. Even I watched was looking one of his videos saying that even when we get Biafra, we will not exit from Nigeria. We will still be inside Nigeria, but we will be Biafra. There is a way that he mentioned it, and no exodus. That is, no exodus means that we'll still be inside Nigeria and having. That is saying something that I'm trying to understand, but I cannot even reason with that trash, because it doesn't make any sense. You cannot tell me that you want to be clean and you are still inside dirty, and you are trying to be clean. No, no, you have to come out from it. And if you want to wash, you can wash and remain clean. You cannot be inside it and saying that you want to be clean and you stay inside that. It doesn't work. That's why when Mazin can notice that this man is no longer making way for this freedom, he left him, because he has position to do it. That's how Etna entered. And when Mazin Nadikan saw him, he grabbed him immediately. That's why everybody is respecting Mazin Nadikan, because he is a visionary leader who always see the future before that we see it. When he saw Mazeba, he saw something that he needed in leadership, and he grabbed him immediately and asked everybody to start following him. DOS was there when he chose him. Yet when he was captured, this DOS refused to work with Eba. The same thing happened during Eba's own, when he was captured as well, with the same DOS who happened to be. We are suspecting that they are the people that put Mazin Nadikan where he is. Did the same thing to Eba. And now it now reached the hand of one Anena, and a ban one you could go away with the line redeclared. Who redeclared now? So if you don't understand it, you will say the same thing. That because Mazeba betrayed Mazen Nanikan because you didn't understand it well. Even if Wazirika was wise, he would have grabbed Mazen Nanikan when he saw the vision in him. That what he cannot do, that Mazen Nanikan will do it better. But because he was rapporting with Nigeria, said that we cannot exist, we don't want to do it by force, that we can never get this thing without their approval. All since he has been doing it, did he get that approval? It was when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu started doing it with all that open eye, was when things begin to work. He couldn't see that what he couldn't do, that God has sent somebody to do it, yet he was going against him. Now it enters, when he was captured, he enters but because already Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have seen that this man can handle it. He said, make him a spokesman, but these US, they refused. They said no, he must enter in IPOB where they will be controlling him, and he will drop his platform. Where he said no, that this only his platform is what he have to propagate, and people have known him with that. They refuse. Before he now say he will not go with them if they want to hold their IPOB group or something, they hold, but he's part of it, and he's even oath member, even as they're saying that non-oath member cannot be part of them. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu made him to take oath even before. He was like telling them that he have taken oath. They said, no, you must come to us in general before we accept. And since the leader, who everybody is looking on to, have said, you have done it, go ahead and do whatever that can help us. Yet they refuse. But when he saw that these people are not ready to move on, he left them and carried on. And he did a wonderful work that made us to reach where we are today. That's why with his effort, this woman stood on it to redeclare on 29th of November 2024 in Latin Finland. So after this, another people whom Nigeria is using as well penetrate some group and make them to start making trouble after the redeclaration, where Ogechukwu Nkere, who is now answering even prime minister, he now remove Ekpa, he dies entirely to claim it. Who knows him? We that are inside are the only people that knows what is going on inside, but we are not confused about the one who is genuine and the right place to be. So when you hear people say that they are not united, they are divided, is a lie. It's only people who refuse to follow the leadership in the right way that it's supposed to be. They refuse, and you cannot force them. Two cannot work together unless they agree. So those that refuse to, or that don't want to move on with the truthful government, not even group again, but government this time, have gotten what we have been praying for years now, yet they don't want to accept it. They want to trash it. What we have been looking for, we have gotten it peacefully, yet our own want to spoil it. But God says no. That's why up to today, this government USB is making, that is moving mountain in the whole world. Go and check the record. Go and research about them. And you will agree with me that among all this thing that is happening is just turning around. That after everything, all must agree with that USB. Because that is the only place where everybody that is genuine knows is the right place to be. You cannot force people who say, I can never follow you. After all, God and Satan, they haven't talked to today. I have not heard that they have started communion, because Satan refused. Even though in the infinite mercy of God, that he can forgive anything. He will forgive somebody who doesn't want to even forgive. So if you mean that you want people to be at peace, or everybody to unite or be at peace, then begin to talk to the people who doesn't want that peace, so that they will have a change of mind, to know that they are wrong, to commune with people who are right, say that, and even apologize to move on, even if they will not apologize, but let them move on with them. But I know that apology is needed to know that really you have accepted your fault, to move on to the right track, which is the USB government. So anything out of this, you are just on your own, and at the end of everything, you are seeing how it's happening. That is how God will be making this thing to turn to everybody understand the truth. So let nobody confuse about maybe Mazi Nnamdi Kanu betrayed Wazuke. No, Wazuke cannot carry it. And not that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu cannot carry it, but because he was taken away. But Wazuke was there. Even when they released him, I don't want to go down there. But if you want to know the history, you can go and research about it and see how he was found incompetence to move it on. That's why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu take it from him and move on. So we cannot start to be saying, hey, because this person have post and you are not doing anything, and leave it for that person. No, if anybody can do it better, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu started saying it. God, give me 100 men, so people that can carry this, and because the ones I'm having, they cannot help. And when he saw one, he grabbed him. That's why up to today, have you ever heard that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu say anything about Simon? Apart from that, he said that he doesn't know anything about autopilot, and they say that he rejected me. No, it's not rejection. It's just that he's trying to protect his own image on where he is, so that he will not complicate himself there. Mazi can say the same thing, but we are not confused. The government we know now is USB government, which is led under the leadership of Ngozi Orabeze. And the chain leader we have is Mazi Nnamdi